Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to explain a complete internship report format in details as per new education policy 2020 guidelines. This format is suitable for all bachelor degree students like BCom, BBA, BCA, BA, BSc and other graduation students. In this video, I will explain each page one by one, also guide you on what to write and how to maintain proper format. So let's start. This is the cover page of the internship report. This cover page should be neat, clear and properly elegant in the center format. On the cover page, you must be write title, your name, your course name, your college name, company where you complete internship, internship duration, start date and ending date, academic year. For example, in the college name like MG Kundelia, Gitanjali College, your Vivekanand College, anyone your college name, right? And then you complete where your internship, their organization name, your company name, Maruti Suzuki and any management company, okay, and also the CA form and duration, date, you can start and ending of your internship date, academic year 2026. Okay, so this is the cover page, give a basic identity and official information about your internship. Okay, done. Now next is a declaration page. In this page, the student declared that internship report is a original work, not a copy from any source. You must mention your name, first your name and course, company name, internship duration. At bottom you must sign the page. This page is important because it confirm the authenticity of your report. Okay, so second is a declaration page, and next is that certificate. After the declaration we have the certificate page. This certificate is given by the company or supervisor, is confirm that you have successfully completed your internship. In this page you must include your name, your course, company name, department name, internship duration, supervisor names and also the supervisor designation. Okay, for example, if your supervisor is HR supervisor, you must clearly mention that this page must be signed by the supervisor. Okay, this is your name, like Mr. Sharma, student of the Bachelor Commerce from the Commerce College, has successfully completed their internship at the Maruti company in the Human Resource Department for the period from the 1 February 2026 to 5 March 2026. Next page is the acknowledge page. Your expense gratitude to thank company, supervisor, college principal and faculty. This page show the professionalization and respect. I would you write that I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Maruti Suzuki company for provide me opportunity to my internship in human resource department. So like this you can write it. Okay, this type of also I am deeply thankful about the internship supervisor Mr. Vijay Kohli. You can write your supervisor name and valuable guidance, content support and encourage the thankful date. Okay, so acknowledge page this is, and also mention the date in place. And the next page is that index. After the acknowledge we write the index. Index content the chapter name, page name. It's given a clear structure of your internship report. Make sure the page number are the correct before the submit. Okay, so see this is the index, is the introductions, objective of your internship, company profile, the department of the profile, and work performance. This is the chapter names, and also write your page number. Okay, and this is the next. Now next is the main report beginning. Now in the introduction section, the explain the purpose of internship, important of internship under the new education policy 2020, the company name, department name, duration. Here you explain the internship provide practical expose and connect the theory with a practical. Okay, so in this I will written as per national education policy practical expose, and also you essential part of higher education. Internship help a student to gain real world experience along with academic knowledge. So you can read it. Okay, and also write the internship report based on the 1 month and internship completed the Maruti company in the which department, the is human resource department, and also mention your internship duration. Okay, during the internship period I was expert daily office activities, employee coordination and document management, and professional work. Also you can write this type of your introduce about your work and in your internship. Okay, so you can write this, the format is a basic format of your internship report. Okay, so now is the next page. The next is objective of internship. In these sections you explain why internship was done. You why done? This is the main question. Your objective you written. You write objectives such as to gain practical knowledge, you understand the profession work cultural, to improve communication skill, to develop confidence, to learn the workplace discipline. Objective should be clear and simple. You can write it. I will read this objective. The first is to gain the practical exposure in professor working environment, and second is understanding the functions of human resource department, to apply a theoretical knowledge gained during the course into the practical work. As per your internship work you can write in objective of the internship. Okay, this is a right based on the HR internship report. Okay, to develop the professional skills such as a communication, teamwork, and time management. This is the objective of the internship report. As per your internship work you can write the objective of internship. The next page is that is the company profile. In company profile you describe the organizations about something. You write about the nature of the business and work environment, different departments, company value and discipline. This give a background information about your company, your organization. Okay, here I will write about the company profile. The Maruti company is a well established organization engaged in the various business and the administrative activities. The company focus on the maintain the quality standard, effective management practice, and the disciplined work environment. The Maruti company follow a systematic practice in the operations and give importance to employee management, organization discipline, and professional ethics. The company provide opportunity for learning and development to students through a internship program. So this type you can write your background, your company background. You can write this type. So okay. The next is that your department profile. Next is the department profile. In this section, you describe your department, where you work. You work in the research department, you work in the manufacturing department, you work in the finance department. Where you work, the describe your department work. Okay, for example, you work in HR department, you explain role of HR, many managing employee attendance and documentations, play play a role coordination, employee communication. These show understanding of a department functioning. Here I writing this the sample of department profile. You can write the human resource department play a vital role in the managing the workforce for of organizations. In this report for requirement, employee record attendance management play a role coordination and manage maintaining the health employee relations. At Maruti company, the HR department ensures smooth functioning of daily employee related activity. The department focuses on the maintain discipline, implementing the company policy and supporting employee in their performance growth. So this type you can write your department background, you something write about your department. Okay, your intensive work department. The next, so this is one of the most important section. Here you clearly explain what task you perform. Clearly explain what task you perform. For example, maintain attendance record, organizing employee file, assisting the documentations, supporting daily work activities. Be honest and write only actual work done by you. Okay, so here you can write these types of work performed during the internship. During the internship period at Maruti company, I was assigned various tasks in the human resource department under the supervision of the Mr. Vijay Kohli. The following activities were performed by me. This type of you can write. Okay, the first task is the done by your internship work. The assisted in the maintain employee attendance record, and second is the help in organization and verifying employee document and file, support HR staff in day-to-day main and assist your payroll related basic tasks, and also coordinate with employee for internal communication. This type of you can task done by you can write here. Okay, the next part is that in these sections you explain what you learn your internship. For example, improve communication skill, improve teamwork ability, time management, professional behavior, confidence development. This is a so personal growth your. So you can write your learning outcome. You can write like this. The internship at Maruti company provided me with a valuable learning experience. Through this internship, I gained both professional knowledge and practical skill. The key learning outcomes are as follow. The first is understanding basic human resource management functions. Right, you can learn about your work function. You can internship your department is a finance department, so you understand the basic financial functions, so you can write it. You can internship in like a coaching classes, so you can understand the teaching something to student, so you can write what your outcome to learning the incomes. You can write it here. The improve communication skill and ability to work team orient environment, you also you can write here. Okay. Here you mention defeat curve faced during the internship. For example, to new environment, understanding hobbies, producer, managing time, and also explain how you overcome those challenges. So you can write this type. During the entire stage of the internship, I face a certain challenge where objection to professional work environment, understanding the hobbies, producers, HR documents, and workplace discipline requirement, time and attention. You can like these types of. Okay. Now, with the last page of the internship report, conclusion. In this conclusion, you summarize your overall experience. You explain how internship help in academic and professional development. You mentioned that internship bridges the gap between theory and practical knowledge. Though this is the last page of your internship report, the conclusion, you can draw this type. The internship at Maruti company was a valuable learning experience. It provided me with practical exposure to working of a human resource department, helped me understand the real life organization practice. The internship enhanced my professional skill, work discipline, and confidence. The experience gained during this period will be beneficial for the academic growth and future career. Overall, the internship successfully fulfilled the objective of NPV 2020 by providing practical knowledge along with her theoretical learning. This type of your internship report. So this was the complete explanation of internship report format in the details. I hope this video help you prepare your internship report correctly and professionally. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.